wanted to share something with you about prescriptive easement. Probably talked about it before, but we're just seeing so much of it in the last 6 months. Prescriptive easement is when one person or party or landowner is been using the property of another consistently adverse to the other owner, meaning they didn't have permission for over 5 years, okay, and that it was open and notorious. I mean, they didn't hide it. They weren't sneaking across the land. This could be using a common road that's not really a road across another lot. This could be that one parcel that you own has a driveway that's located on somebody else's parcel, but that's the driveway that has been consistently used by that parcel, and it's been for the required period of time. Here's really what my advice is, and this is for both the party that is going to be negatively impacted and the party who is going to enforce the prescriptive easement. The best way forward is to come to an agreement to formalize how or where that easement's going to be. Because there's almost no defense to a prescriptive easement action, but these get messy. Some of the most expensive cases we see day in and day out are arguing about prescriptive rights across someone else's land. And these cases, the defendants, even though there is no defense, the strong emotions of someone else being able to use their land indefinitely emits such a cost explosion, and it's unnecessary, that the parties, we just need to get together on these. So if you should be subject to something like this, someone is using a portion of your land, they have been for many, many years, let's formalize the agreement. Let's talk about who's going to take care of it. Let's talk about who indemnification, that if someone gets hurt in that space, what's going to happen. If you don't want to pay taxes on that anymore and the properties are adjacent, let's talk about a lot line adjustment. Let's talk about solutions. You come to us with the solution in both parties, we're going to wrap that thing up in no time flat, get it recorded. It's going to cost both parties almost nothing. Standing on your rights and battling these things out is maybe the saddest, least productive thing that we encounter. And unfortunately, with so much open area in this area, it just seems to happen more and more. And so many times, not so few, but so many times, builders not getting surveys when they build lends itself to this reality. So when we're talking prescriptive rights, we're talking about rights to use the land of another. We need to work through those things and work them out. And maybe it's not going to be the same space anymore. Maybe you guys will agree to move it. But working it out is going to put you so far financially ahead, no matter whether you're the defendant or the plaintiff. I'm encouraging it. And if you come to us with the solution, we will remedy it extremely efficiently. So something to think about.